Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about facial oils, and don't think that summers are here and you won't be needing them. They're most underrated part of the skincare game, and I think if you incorporate them, they can literally transform your skin. So what are the oils that you should be going for, especially for the massages? With a good oil, they will be like even much more effective. So I'm going to tell you step by step for all the different skin types which facial oil to go for. So let's start. I have like this full basket of oils that Dave Herbs sent me across, and I am going to share with you specific oils that you should be trying. If you are watching me from outside of India and thinking that we don't have this brand, don't worry, you don't really have to go for this specific brand. You can be trying the same oils for your skin. Just look for the other brand options that you have available in your country. So the very first best selling oil that they have on their website is the Kanti oil, and I remember when I was talking to the person from Dave Herbs, he was also highly recommending that the first oil that I should be trying is the Kanti oil. It is specially made for the Indian skin because we tend to have thicker skin, we tend to have like lesser of linoleic acid, which is very important to keep your skin that even toned and to balance the sebum productions. The very first ingredient is pure safflower oil, which is the richest source of linoleic acid in nature. So the second ingredient that it has is pure essential lavender oil, and a lot of people these days, I don't know, are scared of essential oil. I'm like, why? You just need to find the right concentration. People have been using essential oil for years and benefiting from them, and when we are talking about lavender essential oil, it has been proven to heal your skin. So next oil that they have added is fennel seed oil, which is also great for anti-aging. So you can be benefiting if you have acne prone skin, if you have dullness, if you have uneven skin tone, so it will be helping you in that scenario. You could be choosing Kanti oil. So the next oil that we're going to talk about is Suvarna oil. This one is the mixture or the concoction made with jojoba oil. It has sandalwood oil, it has lavender oil. This is also beautiful oil. I would highly recommend for anti-aging. I think this one, because jojoba oil is rich in omega-6 acids and with that it does have lavender oil, as I told you, that's very healing, and with that it does have sandalwood oil, which would help in pigmentation or dark spots or so that you might be having. And Suvarna also means like making your color much better. It doesn't mean fair or so. It does mean that evening out your skin or brightening your skin. So if you have done aging skin, you can be trying Suvarna. The next oil that I want to recommend, and I have heard great reviews about that one, and I remember one of you even asking, I think Purvi or someone, that please try the vitamin E oil and do let me know, because she's been already trying that one and she's been loving. So let me just pick it up. Yeah, the pure vitamin E oil. So this one is one of the best antioxidant oil that you would be providing to your skin, and it does help in blemishes, pigmentation, in wrinkles. You could be adding it in your face mask, you could be using it on your hair, you could be using under eye, especially if you have dark circles or so, wrinkles or so, and even be applying it on your nail cuticles. So I would highly recommend that you can be trying their vitamin E oil. So the next oil, which is like all-in-one oil, and a lot of people have been asking me about, is the Kumkumadi oil. That does it work or no? Why not? It does work. It can help you in so many different things, and this one oil can do everything. Mainly the ingredient here is saffron, which is known for brightening out the skin, for lightening the blemishes and pigmentation. So you could be using it at night time, and you can be in fact using it with the almond oil that they have. You could be mixing a few drops of this in the almond oil, do a nice massage with both of these during the night time. The anti-aging massage that I have shared with you here, do that one with these two oils, and they will help you so much. So with all of these blends, they also have individual carrier oils which you can be trying for your specific skin type. Number one, let's talk about the argan oil that they have here. It is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids. It's great for especially if you have hormonal acne, like if you have a lot of breakouts around the chin area or so. Also be used on your hair, on your nails. As we all know, it is the Moroccan oil. You in fact use it for massaging your body also. It's a very good massage oil. So the next oil that I will recommend if you have dry aging skin would be marula oil. This is also high in oleic acid, so this would help in preventing the wrinkles. It would plump up your skin. So if you don't want to go any of the blends, you can be going for marula oil if you have dry, mature aging skin. The next oil that is there, which is quite famous, is the squalane oil. This one is very good for the ones who have oily, acne prone skin. It mimics the your sebum, the oil, natural oil that your skin produces. So if you have excessive sebum production, it is rich in antioxidants also, so it could be providing you the benefits. You could be using it the morning time also, you could use it at night time also. Very good to be used under sunscreen. The next oil that I am going to talk about, which is very underrated and a lot of people don't talk about it, is the moringa oil. I overall love moringa. I think it has so many benefits for your body. Moringa oil, it is high in plant growth hormone, which will help in building the collagen. Very good for aging and mature skin. You could be trying this. It is high in oleic acid also, because this one would be great if you have dry, mature, aging skin. Individually, they do have rosehip seed oil also that you could be trying, especially if you have like oily, acne prone skin, because rosehip oil doesn't clog your pores. So I've already given you a lot of information about the oils, and you can be going to their website. They have these different options of 15 ml, 30 ml, whatever you want to. Like, you could be trying the smallest one to see how it works for you, and then eventually going for the bigger one. That option is also there. And do try RJ15 coupon code on the website. You will be getting discount. And with that, if you have any other questions, do comment below. And if you have been trying out of these oils, which one do you like? So do try these. Do let me know any questions you are having. Do take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.